Let's just go. No, wait, I'm gonna go. Bro! Let me through. Let me through. Thank you. Oh my god, my back itches.
Sorry.
You're so pretty, Curly. You're so pretty.
Thank you.
You're so pretty. Give me that ice cream. What are you looking at me like that? I hate the face cracking. It looks so weird. The face cracking looks so weird.
What if I told you I'm the murderer? You wouldn't believe me, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't believe
Well,
you.
that's because I'm not. That's because I'm not.
Yeah, I wouldn't believe you because I am. Bro, my game lag. This is not the time for my game to lag. This is not the time for my game to be lagging like that. Okay, maybe I deserve it. See, I told you I wouldn't believe you because I was.
I trusted you.
The rule of the game is the rule of this game is do not trust anybody.
I saw the video that you made.
Oh, what video?
The one you made with Lurking Giants. The Lurking Giants one.
Oh, that one, yes.
Yeah.
Get away from him. Get away.
Are you guys YouTube kids? Are you guys YouTube Shorts kids?
No, I posted it. Bro, the strawberry or the orange? The strawberry and the orange are probably teamers. To be honest, they're probably teamers.
What if I told you I'm the murderer?
Wait, is my microphone clear or no?
What?
Is my microphone clear? Like, can you hear me clearly? Probably not.
It's kind of like foggy, but it's kind of foggy, but I can hear you good.
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm playing on a microwave.
Who's playing on the microwave?
Girl, how are you playing on a microwave?
Me! I'm playing on a microwave.
Bruh. Bruh, who wants to play like...
I have a potato microphone. I have a potato mic.
Mm-hmm.
So don't be joking about my microphone. Bro, hold on, wait. Do you know what I hear? That's my internet. Bro, can I tell you what I hear from my point of view? I literally, like, for all y'all guys, all y'all, it sounds like you you all have potato microphones. Just to be honest. I'm not gonna kill you. I'm not, but
Strawberry's the murderer.
wait, what?
Strawberry is the murderer.
Murderer.
Wait, they are?
Wait.
No, I'm
Is
just
it the murderer or no? Because this lobby's just glitching.
Oh, why are you running
How
away?
old are you?
Why are you running away?
How old are you? Little kid, how old are you?
Yeah, how old are you?
What the? Why you on my face? Huh?
He's trying to
You
decide
sound
you.
underage. You sound underage. Bro, why are you running, boy? Where are you running? Guys, he killed. Bro, you killed. Got you in the air. Bro, he killed. He killed, guys. He killed. Bro, it's not me. He killed. Oh. Jeez, Mom. That was intense.
Because I'm in the game.
It echoed through the whole house. It echoed through the whole house, bro. It echoed through the whole house. Bro. Bro. Mom. How do you sneeze that loud?
You're the murderer.
Yeah, it was... But Mom. Why do you always get... Winnie, get down. But Mom.
You were the murderer.
Mom, what do you like that?
The murderer? No, do this one.
Did you hear my mom? Did you
Yes,
hear
bro,
her?
it was loud.
Yes, it was loud. I like to laugh at my mom. Babe. Mom. I bet the whole lobby heard you. Bro, even the building next.
I'm sitting in this corner.
I can't face without loving up. Mom.
Gotcha.
Mom. I'm still laughing at you. Mom. Mom. I even caught that on video. I even caught that on video. Hey! Mom. 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 You gave me the heebie-jeebies. I'm so... Bro, did you hear my mom? Did you hear my mom?
Yeah, I did.
Even he heard you. Oh my god. Bro, I was like, or louder than that. And bro, she screamed and then sneezed. Yeah. Bro, mom, I caught that on camera too. I'm posting that. That's funny. I'm posting that. That's funny.